Eating a painter's palette, chewing on a ruler, writing with a lollipop, or making an eraser sandwich. Anything is possible with our new edible school supplies. The girls are waiting for a chance to sneak away from classes. Dolly doesn't mind that, but the problem is how to distract the teacher. Daisy has got a plan. She takes out an edible painter's palette. This will definitely distract such a sweet tooth like Miss Smith. Cut a palette out of a honey cake layer. Melt milk chocolate in a double boiler and cover the cake layer with the hot chocolate. Knead chewing candies and shape them into a brush. Score the kneaded details with a knife. Paint the candy brush with edible pearl powder. Melt white chocolate, adding food coloring. And shape it to look like squeezed paint on the palette. Put the sweet brush in the center. Now, we just have to decide who will bring the palette to Miss Smith. Dolly wins this fair fight. We cast lots and Daisy is the one to go. The teacher is deep into math as always. Here, take a rest, Miss Smith, and have a snack. She is greatly surprised. These are the most beautiful paints she has ever seen. They are so delicious. And the palette is even tastier. And the brush? This is what I call a taste for art. We're running away from class sneakily while Miss Smith is having her paint snack. The plan has worked. The teacher notices that the students are gone only when she finishes the palette. Outdoor classes require us to get a lot of energy. It's great that I've got a lollipop. Besides, it's my caramel life hack. Carefully take the stick out of a lollipop. We'll put in a ballpoint refill instead. Dissolve a spoon of sugar in water. Heat it in a microwave. Dip the refill into the melted caramel and attach it to the lollipop. I give the lollipop to my friend, but it turns out that eating a lollipop and writing with a pen at the same time is not convenient. Dolly's gotten tangled in her own hands. And my candy is very handy because it's a 2-in-1 pen candy. Write and enjoy your lollipop, though Dolly is not that lucky. Daisy needs an eraser right now. I've got one. But I would rather prank my friend with my cheese eraser. Cut out an eraser-shaped piece of cheese. Paint the eraser with gel food colorings. Use a food marker to write a logo. I take Dolly's marker, but it doesn't work. There is something wrong with it. Well, it's something wrong with my friend, too. Dolly puts the eraser on a sandwich and bites it off courageously. She must have a fever. I'd better take her notebooks away before she eats them, however strange it would seem, but Dolly likes her eraser sandwich. Unfortunately, the picnic is over. Miss Smith sniffs us out. Her sense of smell has never let her down. Hey, you! Go back to school immediately! The girls are boasting about their new school supplies. Dolly has a stylish pencil case. Not bad. But Daisy has an interesting pen. Dolly shows her funny pencil. Then, Daisy takes out her trump card. It's a new edible notebook. It's a jackpot in the weird school supply competition. Paint a bar of puffed rice with bright food coloring. Roll white sugar paste into sticks and shape them into notebook rings. Put wafer paper onto a printed logo and trace it with food markers. Attach the wafer label to the rice cover using edible glue. Attach the sugar paste rings to the notebook spine. Daisy eats one ring from the cover and offers her friend to try the rest of it. Bite it! Don't be afraid! There is puffed rice in my notebook instead of paper. This is very delicious. Dolly can't resist it and eats even the label. This is divine! I take out a secret snack while Miss Smith doesn't see me. No, this is not glue at all. This is a push-pop cake in a glue stick. Cut out colored wafer circles using a clean glue stick.